So I thought I'd share how I made my flashing R2-D2 lamp. And what you can see here, I've got a little plastic R2-D2 container that I bought. So it's all plastic. The top comes off of it, and when I bought it, it was solid. So these spaces here, the panels that are missing holes, you can see them in both the top as well as the body of the container. I cut those out with a utility knife. So I just got my favorite utility knife here and traced out the edges that I wanted out. And so I cut them out throughout the body, just kind of picked different areas that I wanted to cut out so the lights could shine through. Then on the back, I needed a place for the cord to go. So you can see here that I cut an X, and then the plastic is a little bit brittle, and so I didn't want it to continue cracking, so I drilled a hole at the end of each of the cuts that I made. And so then I took a Christmas light cord, and you can see I've pushed it through the hole so that the plug comes out the back. And looking inside at the cord, I have cut off the end after 4 bulbs and put a termination on them. And then I put one color of each bulb in there, a red one, a blue one, a yellow one, and a green one. And it's a little hard to see the termination, but I made sure the bulbs are flashing. And now all I got to do is wait till it gets dark and plug it in, and that's my little R2-D2 flashing lamp. I bought the container quite some time back. I'm not sure how available they are now. It was relatively an easy little project. There may be other containers. You may even find that somebody makes these, I'm not sure, but I made it. It was modeled after something that I had a long time ago that was ceramic and ended up being broken by a family member. But now I have one that's not as delicate, not as fragile, and this one has lasted me for quite a long time so far. I think it's probably about 20 years old. Anyway, hope this at least gives you ideas if you can't find the things to make it, and have a good time with it.